administrative order on community-based testing. So, lahat naman ng nasa field at napakita, no, ay actually is part of what community organizations do, and yung mga actions nila ng mga community organizations na dulot nga ng activism, ng peer-to-peer support, all of these are actually part of yung framework din ng gobyerno in trying to reach more people. Siguro yung question ko lang po, dahil hindi pa siya nabanggit until now, maybe someone can talk about PrEP a little bit. I'm sure there are a lot of qualified.
PrEP news. Also free, ha?
Hello po, ang PrEP po ay gamot na iniinom, pang-prevent na gamot na iniinom. Libre po ito sa mga clinics, sa mga social hygiene clinics. So, lahat po ay eligible dito. Ang requirements lang ay of course, screening, HIV screening. Tapos, kapag non-reactive po, pwede kang i-enroll sa PrEP, tapos meron kang dalawang options on how you take it. Kasi po, we take PrEP para, it's called pre-exposure pill. So, ibig sabihin, tinitake mo siya, pre-exposure prophylaxis na you take, it's a pill na you take bago ang ang sexual encounter na hindi natin alam kung ma-expose ka or not, pero you take it to protect yourself. Tapos, yun, meron dalawang ways of taking it. Pwede kang daily or pwede kang yung event-driven na 2-1-1. Pero you can discuss it with your health professionals kapag kapag nag-enroll kayo at nag-screen.